Okay, so this weekend wasn't what I would say an ordinary weekend. Oh, and by the way, welcome to a new video. This is what happened. Hey, are you free this weekend? Yes, I am. Why? Okay, nice. So, do you want to come to Gothenburg and fly some helicopter? What? What do you mean? I mean, like, fly in a helicopter here in Gothenburg, up in the sky. You're kidding with me. Are you for real? Yes, I am. I'm for real. And of course with the doors off as well. Wait, what? Doors off as well? Of course I will come to Gothenburg. I will book a ticket right now. Sounds good. See you tomorrow. Bye. After this conversation with Martin, I booked a ticket, and the next day I jumped on a train down to Gothenburg. Met Martin for the first time in 1.5 years. Good morning, Martin!
Good morning!
How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, nice! In with the stuff.
It's going to be the coldest today.
And also the small little detail to fly a helicopter.
Ja, vänta, jag måste bara berätta vad som hände. Jag gick över staketet lite grann. Skulle jag gå upp på kullen så står det en massa kor bakom krönet. Och de blir livrädda och jag blir livrädd och båda sprang åt 2 olika håll. Okej, jag är redo. Hej då.
I'm sitting here in some random place by this red building with my friend and also colleague Martin here.
Woo. Hello.
We're on our way to fly with a helicopter, but this looks...
I don't know if this is the right place. If you know
looks
what
like
I mean.
looks like we lost. Maybe it's a chopper in there, but I'm not sure. It seems a bit off. So we just drove out to someplace north of Gothenburg. The clouds is quite low, so we're not sure if we're gonna fly, but in case they're off, we're gonna push the helicopter out to the start area. Yeah, but I'm excited. Let's see. It's gonna be cold, but I've never flown a helicopter before, so I'm super excited. Let's just say we call this weekend an adventure weekend, but that's it for now. I will see you in the next video, but remember to press the subscribe button down here and also like the video, it helps a lot. And I see you next time. Bye.